everyone, it's phonics time. So we've got hello, hello, hello. Challenge 1. It's time for us to remember and write some graphemes we have already learnt. Miss Coleman will tell you now. Okay, so can you write down all the graphemes for the E phony and E sound? There are 7. Pause the video and write those down now. Brilliant, guys. You should have done that now. So let's move on. Let's see. Did you get them all? There's double E, 2 E's together, E and an A, E by itself, E split digraph, E and a Y, Y by itself, and I and an E. Now write these words. Okay, I'm going to give you 5 words and you have to remember which E sound, which E grapheme each of these have. So the first one is being. Number 2 is teeth. Number 3 is teach. Number 4 is shield. And number 5 is angry. Okay, you can pause the video after each one if you want. Go back and have a listen and do that now. Okay, guys, right, let's have a look at the spelling. So teeth, you can see at the top in the corner is T, and it's got double E and then T and H, so 2 E's. Teach has got E and an A. Angry's got a Y. Shield has got I and an E. And being has got an E by itself. Today we are going to be looking at mnemonics again. This is a way of remembering the spellings tricky words. Remembering the tricky words, the spellings of tricky words. You learn a silly sentence. The sentence has words in the correct order that begin with the letters in the word you want to spell. Remembering the silly sentence can help you remember how to spell the word. Miss Coleman will show you them now. Well, that was complicated. Do you remember from yesterday? So yesterday we had a way of remembering how to spell said and a way of remembering how to spell because. Can you remember them? Let's try said first. What's that one? Well done if you said Sally Ann is dancing. And can you remember because? Well done if you said big elephants can always understand small elephants. So let's have a look at some more today. Whoa. So read this one. This is for the word people, and it says people eat omelettes. Omelettes are like a type of, if you've never had them before, where you get egg and you mash it up together and you fry it in a frying pan. People eat omelettes. People like eggs. People eat omelettes. People like eggs. Let's have a look at that then. Brilliant. So, people begins with a P, so we write a P. Eat begins with E, so we write E. Omelettes begins with an R, so we write R. People again begins with a P, so we write P. Like begins with an L, so we add an L. And last of all, we have eggs, so that begins with an E, so we add an E. People. Okay, should we have a look at the next one? So remember that one. People eat omelettes. People like eggs. So this one is for other. Only tigers hunt evil rabbits. Cool. Other. Only tigers hunt evil rabbits. Now, let's go back and check the other one. So, for people, is people eat omelettes, people like eggs. I've got to remember these as well. People eat omelettes, people like eggs. I know I'm going to get these jumbled up. Okay. Only tigers hunt evil rabbits. Now, there's one more today. Oh, let's look at that again. Okay. This is want. Wet animals need towels. Wet animals need towels. So the W in wet means we have to write a W. The A at the beginning of animals means you write an A. The N at the beginning of need means you write an N. And towels begins with a T, so you need to put a T at the end. Oh, excuse me, everyone. Want. Wet animals need towels. Now, guys, can you remember the one for people? I think I can remember it. Is it? Right, you go first. Yeah, I've got it now. People eat omelettes. People like eggs. Yes! And the next one was for other. What was it? Oh, I don't think I can remember this one. Can you remember it, guys? Oh, I think I can actually. Only tigers hunt evil rabbits. Yeah! Only tigers hunt evil rabbits. Let's have a look. People eat omelettes. People like eggs. Yes. Only tigers hunt evil rabbits. Woohoo! And then the last one is want. I remember this one because I don't know why it sticks in my head. Want. Wet animals need towels. I can just imagine a wet animal needing a towel. Okay, so I'm imagining people eating omelettes and because they like eggs. And I can remember this one. Only tigers hunt evil rabbits. Okay, right. So let's see what's next. Super. Now have a go at finding the words other wanton people. Rex was practicing spelling them, but he kept getting it wrong. Can you find where he spelt it correctly? Miss Coleman will find a few first with you. Okay, so pause the video now. Have a look at the first row. You've got people. Then in the next row, you've got want. And at the bottom, you've got other. They are only correct in what... there is only one correct in each line, okay? So pause the video now and see if you can spot it. Okay, you should have paused the video and found them. Let's see if you were correct. So we've got want there in the middle randomly. People up there at the top, that's the only correct spelling. And there, can you see other at the bottom? Hi everyone, Oswald says that only 6 of these are correct. Can you find them? Use the mnemonic for this word. Okay, so you've got to look for people in this one. There's only 6 that are correct. Now, can you remember the mnemonic? People eat omelettes. People like eggs. Pause the video now and see if you can find all 6. Okay, and do the same with these. There are 9 of these. Wet animals need towels for want. Okay, guys, you should have done that now. So we're going to move on to the next one. And finally, there are 7 of these of other that you need to find. So this one was only tigers hunt evil rabbits. I've remembered them. Okay. Right. Okay, guys, you should have done that now. So let's move on. I'll see you soon for challenge 2.